Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, today's video is going to be on the 2006 Chevy Duramax, and as you can see, the headlights are toast. They done replaced once. I was going through the woods and busted one of my marker lights down on the bottom, so I have ordered new lights. Big fan of Nilight, so we're going to put these Nilight headlights in the chrome version and see how it changes the old truck. We jump into our goodies here. So it's very well packaged. Comes with instructions or gift, your headlight assembly instructions, and if you need help, you go to nilight.com. Come with a pair of gloves for changing the bulbs. And then this must be the marker lights. You be careful with a knife and don't scar up your lights. Oh yeah. And like I said, this is the chrome version. They had a black and different ones, but I just wanted to go on back factory with mine. Oh yeah, it looks a whole lot better than what I got. So that's those. And then oh, those are nice. They got extra, they've got I'll show you in the pictures, but they got a extra coating on them, supposed to help them from fogging. We'll put it to the test and do a review, but we'll go ahead and get started replacing these. So got our new one here. Set it right there. These gloves help you from putting grease and oil or deposits from your skin on these bulbs, and these Mars Auto bulbs have been a champ, so I'm going to go ahead and use these gloves. Anyway, take your pen, turn it out, and then just lift your headlight out and do your bulbs. Make sure you don't touch them. Major difference. So while that's out, there's a clip right here that you're going to mash in to get this marker light out, just like that. You can see it clips on this side and pops in over here. So I'm just going to take my light bulb out, my daytime running light out, and then my little marker. Got a little LED in that one. This is the one that's busted right there, so won't need that no more. I'll pull our little stickers off here. Okay, got all our ports open. Now, as I was showing you, this clips back in here. This clips into an opening right here. So we're going to put everything back in the way it was. And that's one thing I love about Nilight's lights and stuff. They fit like factory. I've replaced these for other people and you can't get the lights in them or nothing. Alright, so I'm going to take and hook that Put it back in the dowels, get it lined up, pop it in. Nice. Same thing on these. Go ahead and pull this off. Try not to drop your headlight. Go ahead and pull your sticker off. Put our lights back in. All right. What a difference. Now that's sharp. Now, to just give you an idea of the difference, that right there says a lot. So now we'll move to the other headlight. Take your pin out. I was wondering where that went. These will rotate up. This will show you the cheaper ones I got before. You can see I had to put stuff in it to make them stay in. They'd pop out going down the road. Okay, hook it back in your hole there. Line up on your pins. There's that. Other headlight. Golly, that looks good. Well, there it is. Anybody that follows Pine Life knows that I use a lot of Nilight stuff. I've used on my side-by-side in here. I have used their bed lights for interior lights on multiple UTVs. I've used their LED lights. I'm actually got some 4-inch pods that's coming from them to put on my trailer, so there'll be another video on them. But there's very little adjustment on these. I'll have to adjust these down, of course. They're probably set to the tallest position. And the adjustment is just this Allen screw right here on top where the headlight sets in. You got an Allen head that you adjust, and you adjust the back this way, left to right. So it's very simple. But Nilight makes good quality parts. I have never had a complaint with stuff I've installed on people's side-by-sides, and I run Nilight on mine. It only makes sense to run them on the truck. Now, a lot of yous are going to notice that my high and low beam both are on at the same time with my fog lamps. That is because I have the fleece headlight mod, the little module. So I'll put the headlights and the headlights and mark lights in the description below. I'll also tag fleece headlight mod for in the description below, and that right there just give the truck a perfect facelift. So if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and like. Check out Nilight stuff. They've got really good products. I recommend them. And as always, God bless. We'll see you on the next video.